How to clear cache on the Binance app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are using the Binance app and want to clear its cache, then it can help resolve minor issues like slow performance, loading problems, or temporary glitches without deleting your account or trading data. First, launch open your Binance application on your device, whichever device you are using, and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and tap the three horizontal menu buttons at the top left corner from the home screen. You'll then come across this page where you'll need to click on the gear button at the top right corner. And from the settings menu, scroll down and look for this clear cache button. Click on it, and in the pop-up, click on yes. Now, soon after you do that, you will be able to clear the cache data from your Binance application. So there you have it. That's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.